Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful ECM Thechnika espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work and we had to basically open the whole top in and get inside the machine and replace this boiler safety valve, this vacuum release valve, and these two thermostats that you see right here. The customer was having a problem with the machine, that the machine will just overheat him and it will just trip these little fuse boxes over here, and she will have to open it up here and push that button for the machine to start heating again. And then after a couple of days it will just overheat again and it will just trip them, and you will have to again open up the top piece and push that little switch in order to make it work. So for that reason the pressures that wasn't really connecting very well, so we had to rewire that and secure those connections to the pressure stat itself. Once we did that, we adjusted the pressure to make sure it was staying at 1.2 bars, and we monitored the whole machine to make sure it didn't overheat. We also replaced these ones, you see right here, and make sure the electronic connections connecting these thermostats were secure and not moving and not arcing or anything like that. We replaced the vacuum release valve, we replaced the boiler safety valve, and we've been monitoring this machine for quite a while to make sure it does not overheat or does anything. And so far, the machine's been doing great. Hasn't overheated, hasn't stopped heating, and it's just been working constantly. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise, we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now we do not have the tray, so it's going to be a bit messy. We're also using a bottomless portafilter, and those ones are a bit harder to dial in. There you go. But even so, we got a nice shot of espresso, good crema at the top. Looking great. And as I said, it was going to be messy because we do not have the tray. All that pressure that was in the E61 group head just basically blasted through here. Now water for this machine, as you can see, is working perfectly fine. And steam has an amazing pressure and it works great. So there you have it, ECM Thechnika working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.